Kabataan ang pag-asa sang banwa, ina ang permi ko kakabatian. Amon ang permi ginhambal nila mama kag papa, sang akon mga maestro, sa mga politiko, kag halos kadaman sa mga katigulangan. Pero kadagwa ko sa kilid sa mga kalsada, ang mga kabataan nga hambal nila pag-asa sang banwa, hindi kuman makitaan. Mga kabataan nga lulong sa droga, wala ga eskwela, kag mga wala may nalungungan nga may sakit na gali sila. Kabataan di man bala ang pag-asa sang banwa? Ako si Jasper Vihar. Halin ako sa Team Dugong Bughaw, kag kami may proyekto nga ginatingkuluhan nga Project High Five. Gintipon namon ang pulo ka mga universidad kag kolehiyo sa Iloilo City. Nakaupod namon sila, nahibaluan namon ang ila kultura, naging komportable kami sa ila para makahimo kami sang mabaskog nga alyansa sa mga kabataan diri sa Iloilo.
To think to tackle or to address HIV and AIDS is to promote prevention, to give knowledge to the people, to the students. Also releasing the stigma and the discrimination of those people or persons living with HIV.
HIV is no longer a topic na sa US lang or sa ibang countries or sa African countries lang. It is very much a reality in the Philippines, and it is increasing. In fact, the rate of increase is very, very high. Around 3,000% increase from 2008 up to 2016. We are doing this kind of project right now, making it more accessible, the testing, making it more accessible, reaching more demographics kasi nga we think there are still more out there who doesn't know their HIV status and who really needs our help.
Hindi ko gusto na makita na mauna pa ako mamatay, no, bago yung magulang ko. Kasi yung parang iniisip ko na walang mag-aalaga sa kanila. So, siguro yun talaga yung nagbigay ng inspiration sa akin para ako ay lumaban pagiging isang person living with HIV.
And the sad reality, and almost 30% of these newly diagnosed cases are coming from ages 15 to 24.
Sa ngayon kasi alam natin na pabata ng pabata yung mga nagkakaroon ng HIV. So siguro yung pinaka-role nila dito is yung magbigay na information about the HIV and AIDS, yung mag-advocate.
After the seminar or during the seminar, sabi ko, okay, ganito pa lang yung nangyari. So parang masabi mo sa sarili ko na this is what's happening to them, pero akong tao na walang pakialam sa kanila. So ganun. So when I learned what they are experiencing, especially those positive people, so sabi ko, I really need to care about them because they are having a hard time.
When we talk about health, it's not limited to people practicing in the medical field. It's a concern of everybody. And as we go on to schools, we believe in the saying kasi na advocacy is everyone's responsibility. This advocacy is touching and changing many lives as well as ours. We are learning many things, not only regarding HIV and AIDS, but also changing who we are. We are becoming a better person. We are becoming better members of youth. And we are fighting for a cause that's not only for us. It's for the whole Iloilo City. And I guess kami, Team Dugong Bughaw, we are promising that this advocacy does not end. It will go on. We will be there. We will stay with our peer educators, with our organizations, because we are happy with what we are doing, and this makes us happy.
Sa pamangkot kung ang kabataan balagi hapon ang pag-asa sang banwa, amon gid bug-os nga isinggit kag dako gid ang amon pagpati nga samtang may kabataan pa nga nagapati sa ila makayo obrahon para baguhon ang isa ka bagay, samtang may mga kabataan pa nga wala nagasuko, kag samtang may kabataan pa nga may malasakit, sigurado gid nga may pag-asa pa ang aton banwa. Ara sa mga kamot sang kabataan ang aton buwas damlag.